In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Hotmail from blocking emails. Now, if you've ever missed an important email because it ended up in your junk folder, you know just how frustrating that can be. Fortunately, there's a way to ensure that legitimate emails don't get filtered into the wrong place. Follow along as we guide you through the process. First, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Outlook sign-in page. This is your gateway to accessing your email account. Make sure you're using a secure and up-to-date browser like Chrome or Firefox for the best experience. Once you're there, look for the sign in button and give it a click. Enter your credentials if prompted. If possible, enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Once you're logged into Outlook, the next step is to navigate to your mail inbox. On the top menu or sidebar, click on the mail icon, which usually looks like an envelope. This will direct you to your main email page where you can see all incoming emails, including those that are marked as spam or junk. Speaking of junk, the next step is crucial. Go ahead and locate the junk email folder. This is where emails that Outlook has automatically filtered as unwanted or potentially harmful are sent. It's important to regularly check this folder because sometimes legitimate emails can mistakenly land here. Click on the junk email folder to open it. You can scan through the list of emails present there. Here's a handy tip: if certain senders' emails consistently end up here and they're safe, you may want to add them to your contacts list to prevent this in the future. Now let's select one of the emails, pick an email that you know should not have been filtered as junk, click on it to open it and read through if necessary, just to confirm it's legitimate and something you want to keep receiving. Once you've confirmed that the email should not be in the junk folder, you'll see a button labeled Report. Clicking on this button will help train Outlook's filter by reporting the email as something it shouldn't have marked down as junk. This is a valuable step for improving the accuracy of Microsoft's email sorting filters. Finally, look for the option labeled Not Junk. Often it appears as a button within the opened email view or inside the options menu. Click on Not Junk to officially mark the email as safe. This action will move the email back to your inbox and tell Outlook to stop marking future emails from this sender as junk. And there you have it. By consistently managing your junk folder and marking legitimate emails as not junk, you can greatly reduce the chances of missing important emails. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide was helpful for managing your email effectively.